What is car in Korean? One Korean term for car is cha. Again, it's cha. This is pronounced as one syllable word. Pronounce it with me. Cha. Cha. How do we write cha in Hangul? This is composed of just two characters. The first character is a chiyut character, and the next character is an a character. We just need to combine these two characters to form the Hangul of the word cha, which is the Korean word for car. Again, chiyut plus a, it's cha. And with that, you already know what is car in Korean. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Korean words.